We're here in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, talking with Lance Lentini of Bridge Appliance. Bridge Appliances is revolutionizing the kitchen automation space. And today he's going to show us his Ohm egg cooking machine.
Ohm, our automated egg machine. It's the only product on the market capable of holding eggs, cracking them, and then cooking them on 2 pans. It does 2 eggs every 4 minutes, and it cooks them sunny side up. So operators are able to configure easy, medium, and hard, and it's great for high volume quick service restaurants who want to offload capacity off of flat tops.
The restaurants here in the Bow Market are not that big. We're very tight, and you can feel how confined these spaces are. So any type of kitchen automation is going to make things faster and more profitable, make customers happier. Did you know that the hinge components were 3D printed? Stainless steel?
I did not know that until right now.
Yeah. What Bridge Appliance did is they wanted to move fast. They wanted to iterate the design quickly, produce prototypes, get beta test machines out into the field, and then scale. And that's one thing that metal 3D printing can offer them, is the ability to build 1 machine or 1,000 machines.
And what type of metal composite is this?
This is 316 stainless steel. It's got a very high content of nickel and chrome to make it safe that it doesn't corrode, and safe in the kitchen for eating.
Oh, that's awesome.
Arc Impact was able to help us with their binder jet printing system, bring some of those complicated geometries and complicated materials into a complicated piece of equipment here. It's very hot, it needs to be very durable, and obviously it needs to be able to be cleaned. So unique materials like stainless steel with very complicated geometry being in this machine within a short lead time process become very valuable to an organization that's small and nimble like ours. Utilizing binder jet printing process, we were able to get those lead times down to like 3 or 4 days. So that ability to work with the customers and iterate through those processes effectively and get them what they needed came down to a development stage of 3 months instead of 3 years.
Working with Bridge and watching this machine evolve has been really amazing to see like it become more reliable and more features, more functions, which has been great.
That's exactly right. Your feedback going back to the Bridge Appliance engineers, they can immediately make a change. They can send you parts next week using metal binder jet printing. Is it even possible to make this design through another manufacturing process?
No, this part became so complicated at the end design that the only way to do this would be a wax investment casting. It really took on its own kind of animal because the process was broken into 3 or so different parts because we were working with CNC'd parts potentially just to get the lead times down, and then you'd have to then post-process and assemble them. And you end up with 3 parts and then basically 20 minutes of assembly time. And it's easier at that point, once you've really validated that design, to then just combine them all and have them all just be binder jet printed, and then have one singular part that gets installed to the pan.
How long does it take to print this piece in your hands?
So small pieces like this are printed not by one at a time, but by hundreds at a time. And so it takes a few hours to print a few hundred parts. And so that's how you can go right into mass production, by printing thousands of these parts a week. And that's how Bridge Appliance keeps up with the demand for these machines, by producing 1 or 2 as they prototype, and then now 1,000 as they go worldwide with their Alm machine.
Heck yeah. So today I'm going to make you my current favorite sandwich, which is the Carolina caviar. We have this phenomenal pimento cheese spread that we use a little bit of Calabrian chilies for a little bit of heat and a little funk. And that with like the pork sausage and that runny cook yolk is so good.
Love it. Love it. It's incredible to see how fast Bridge Appliance moved from prototypes in their lab to production machines in the field, thanks in part to metal binder jetting at Arc.